Kahapon, pinag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa pagbabalik ng isang taong ating mahal. You can just imagine na after many days, weeks, months, or years of waiting, someone now is telling you, andito na siya. I'm sure merong excitement, merong joy. But I will not be surprised also if there would be doubt or hesitations dahil takot masaktan sa false expectations. In our gospel today, Jesus gives instructions to His 12 apostles to make this proclamation. The kingdom of heaven is at hand. Ito na ba ang pagdating ng Mesiyas na hinihintay ng mga Israelita? Masasagip na ba sila sa mga pang-abuso ng mga Romano? To those who had faith, joy, and peaceful assurance filled their hearts. But to those who doubted, confusion reigned and few miracles were performed to them, as we have heard in earlier readings. Mga ka-G, patuloy sa ating sinasabi ang proclamation na ito. The kingdom of heaven is at hand. Do we respond with faith and joy? Can we partake in that foretaste of heaven on earth through our love and forgiveness towards our brothers and sisters? G ka ba?